Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'm going to talk about that why your iPhone is deleting your contacts on randomly basis. So I was facing this issue for quite a while now, and I was confused that why my contacts, which were like more than 1000 contacts on my contacts list, were suddenly shrinked up to 70 to 74 contacts. Now this was a problem that I was facing, and I didn't know what was causing it. I searched a lot of videos on YouTube on troubleshooting this issue, but then to no avail. I didn't get any concrete solution to this problem. So therefore, once I checked my Samsung phone, which is the Galaxy S10, I then found the solution. So the problem is that if you are syncing your contacts on Google, obviously on iPhone, once you are syncing the contacts from Google account, any change in contact lists in your other phones can have a major change in your iPhone. So by this I mean that if you have deleted your contacts on your other phone, it will also delete those contacts on your iPhone. But the problem was I didn't delete any contacts. Randomly it was deleting. So I found out that the culprit was actually the Galaxy S10 which I was using. So the thing was that most of the contacts were deleted in this phone randomly, and because of that I had to go back and and restore those contacts by going into the contacts app and then clicking on the trash button and restoring all those contacts. So luckily I got my contacts back. So therefore, if you are syncing your contacts list from different sources, from different Google accounts on your iPhone, make sure to check your other Android phone that whether it has deleted those contacts or not. Now the reason of deletion I could not find. Maybe there was a bug, maybe something else happened, but the solution that I found was actually the contact list on this Android phone was being deleted, and because of that the contacts on iPhones were not showing. So this is what you can check on your iPhone and see that iPhone is not deleting those contacts. It's actually the Android phone which is deleting, and by that you can recover your contacts easily. So that's pretty much it, and hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.